guys, it's me Brittany or Brie, whichever you want to call me. In today's video we are going to be reacting to NCT Wish's first ever comeback. It is just a single, I believe, and it's called Songbird. Today was the Japanese release, and then sometime next month is the Korean release, as well as something else. Maybe I can kind of forget how it is. Before we get into that though, I just want to say I know I look rough. I know I look rough. I have bruises on my arms. I have band-aids on my fingers. Got chipped nail polish, just horrible bags in my eyes, messy hair. I know it's bad. You're gonna have to excuse it because I started a new job last week. First job since the move, and it is rough. I am currently helping set a store, so we had to build fixtures and use power tools, which I've never used power tools before, and lift things that are way too heavy for this girl. And yeah, so it is bad. So please don't mind the appearance. This is just what we're dealing with for today. But I absolutely want to react to this today, so this is just how I'm gonna look for the reaction. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm so excited! First comeback! I watched their little teaser thing and it was very silly. Playing Monopoly? Looks like it's English! Yoshi's blue hair is so pretty. I know it's already gone, but it was so pretty the very short amount of time we had it. He's trying to start so much though, so probably a good thing it's back to just black because he really has dyed his hair so much since they've debuted, and like they debuted on the home. It's so tiny. Whoa! I need to turn that down. It was very loud in my ear. Oh, good. Captions are on. I always forget. Oh my god, I love how often they put me in brace. He looks so adorable in this. Jakey! Happy my birthday. Last year in his teens. Yeah, Riku. All the tiny stuff is so cute. What was Sakia? Yeah. I love how Saki and Riku raps. I love their like tone of voice they use. I just like their flow. I love this guy called Shion a lot too. It's so pretty. Come on, Sakia Center. Oh, Shion's driving. Does he have his license? I wonder. Oh. 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 Oh, not the breakdown. Give me some. Yeah, come on, Shion, get it. I love the way he dances so much. I hope everything you wish for comes true. Stop it, that's so cute. Pretty eating. It looks yummy, whatever candy that is. Oh. Okay, wrinkle deep voice. I thought that was so cute at first. Oh, even more cute. That was so cute. That was so cute. Yay. I loved that. I've loved their music so far. I'm obsessed with them. I think they are such a great addition to NCT, and yeah, I absolutely loved that. I feel like their songs are so catchy. I like the vibe that they've been so far. Like they have just such a fun vibe to all their music so far, which is just great. And I really, really like it. I will definitely be downloading that on Spotify instantly. If they release like a different music video or release something else the day their Korean version comes out, we will react to that. If it's like pretty much the same or same for the most part, like Wish was, then we probably won't. I'll just just kind of watch it on my own. But if there's some kind of new music video or whatever for that release next month, then we will definitely be doing that. Because I know it's the Korean version next month, but I also think there's something else. So we will see when that comes out. But yes, definitely gonna go download this. Absolutely loved it. I loved the concept photos. Shia needs to stop with the winking and putting things in his mouth. It is too much for me to handle. But also please don't stop because I love it. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I think that's really all I have to say. You saw I was dancing kind of along with it. I loved the beat. It's such a good summer song. And yeah, I'm very excited to see the Korean version and whatever else the other thing is, because I gotta forget. So yeah, I think that is all. If you guys like the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload. And I think that is it, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!